Hello friends, welcome to FreeCAD tutorial, and in this tutorial we will learn how to create copy of a part in FreeCAD and how to use it in part modeling. You can also visit my website mechnexus.com where I write articles and tutorials on FreeCAD. You can also download my tutorial source file from here. You can also support my work by buying my free CAD crash course for beginner. It is a very basic level course for the beginner user where a beginner user can master the free CAD. And you can also support my work on coffee.com. You can buy me a cup of coffee. You will get my website link and my Ko-fi donation page link in a video description. So here is a control block, and now we will see how we can create an exact copy of this control block. So for this is made in a part design. As you can see the features, here's my pad, pocket, datum plane. If I wanted to create its copy, then I have to switch it to the part workbench, and in part workbench select the body and go to the part, and here click on create a simple copy. So a copy has been created here. As you can see here, the body 001. I will click on it and click on the transform, then I will get my X, Y and Z axis, then I can simply move it. So we have the exact copy here of our part. Now I press the space bar and hide it. Now if I click on my body, if I go to the create a copy, then here the other three form as well: create a transform copy, create shape element copy, or refine shape. So if I go with a create a transform copy, then I can create one more copy here and go to the transform, and then I on these two, and there is a one is a refine shape. So this is how we can create a copy. But one thing you should aware about this is the non-parametric. The copy you create is non-parametric because here we have created a copy body 001, but we cannot see any feature inside of this. And the other downside is that if we make any changes to our parent part, it won't be reflect on our child part. So if I go here and if I edit my cut depth up to face, instead if I say the dimension 5 mm, so you can see that this is our parent body where I have changed my depth from up to face to the 5 mm, but it is not reflecting here. This means that the copy we create here is a non-parametric. Now if I press the Ctrl Z, so what is the benefit of this body created copy? So after my study I have found that the main use of this body is that if you wanted to make any changes to your parent part, but you want to keep open your reference part here. For example, if I wanted to model any feature on my part, whether I am not sure that that feature will fail or succeed, so in this case I have my reference part is there and I can revert back my shape to my previous one. So this reference is just for complex modeling. If you are making any model which is very complex and you are not sure that the features or any shape which you are going to adapt will succeed or not, so that is the only use I have saw with my study of this created copy. Else it is a non-parametric, so there is no any use of this apart from if you are modeling any complex shape. And other benefit is that you can create multiple copies feature by features, and you can export it into the different format of like STL or step. Okay, so this is the useful if you want to create a different version of your parent part. For example, I wanted to make a tree variant of my part, so I will go here in the body and I will go to the part and create a copy. So one more copy has been created here, and I will go to the transform and I want to move it. So main benefit I found is that you can save the different variations. For example, if you wanted to on one part, if you want a hole, and other part you do not want a hole, and in the second part you want two holes or any feature, so you can save all these three configurations in a single file. So you do not have to separately store the different version of your part in a different file like a step or STL. So this is how you can create a copy of your part inside the FreeCAD, but it should be non-parametric. Keep in mind that, else it is a very good feature of a FreeCAD. And this is all about this sessions, how to create a copy of your part in FreeCAD.